The snowstorm. Once upon a time, there was Mr. Frozen and animals. One day, there was a snowstorm, and Mr. Frozen ran to his house fast as he can, and he got closer and closer and closer. He got closer and closer, and he ran. And when he got inside, he had some nice hot chocolate. He said, this is nice and yummy. And he finally went to bed because the snow was hitting the window. And when he woke up, something was hitting his eye. He said, ow, ow. And he looked outside. A beautiful jungle was out there. He said, wow. And he went to a beach. He saw somebody. And he started having a beach party. Beach party. Beach party. Beach party. And the